Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a PDF in a LifterLMS lesson. So what we're going to want to do is start out by downloading our PDF. I have a sample one here. I'll download that and save like that, Lorem Ipsum PDF. There we go. And now I'll head over to my website. I'll head to my media library, add new. And here's where I can upload that file from my computer. Let's see, downloads, there's our Lorem Ipsum PDF. We'll upload that. And now what I want to do is open the courses. I'll do this in a new tab here. So we'll open the courses in a new tab, just so we can come back to our media library in a second. So now I'll want to open the course builder on one of my courses by hovering over and clicking Builder. I'll head over to the side, expand all sections, and I will hover over lesson 1, for example, and go into the lesson editor. All right, from here we can add in, let's say I'll do a button, for example. We're going to want to link to the PDF, we can do it in the text, or I'll do it here in a button in Gutenberg. So I'll add a button there, and I'll need to paste a URL. So that's why I left the media library open here. What I want to do is go to library. Once this loads everything up here, we should see our PDF we added in, and here's the link to that. So I'm just going to select that link, and I'm going to copy it, and then head back into my lesson on my button here, and I'll paste that in there. So I will apply that link and say, I could type in the button here, the PDF. There we go. I'll just center align that and put it at the bottom of my lesson here. And I will preview that and see what this looks like. All right, so now we're in the lesson, and I can scroll to the bottom. And oh, I'm not seeing that yet because I haven't updated. I'll just update that quick and view the lesson. There we go. So now that everything's updated, I can see the PDF button in the lesson, and when I click on it, it'll take me to my PDF. So that's how you can embed a PDF in a LifterLMS lesson with a button. Another option to do this would be to take this same link, and I could go into the text, and I can add a link in anywhere I would like in the text and link to a PDF that way as well. I prefer to do the button way just because it sticks out a little more in the lesson and lets your students know that there's something there that they're going to want to open up. But yeah, that's it for this video. Feel free to drop any suggestions for videos you want to see in the future down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.